During these uncertain times, all of us at RelaDyne are taking extreme caution to ensure the safety of our families, safety of our associates, and the safety of our customers. The entire RelaDyne network is committed to continual and reliable supply of your critical fuel and lubricant needs. We are monitoring our entire supply and logistical networks. On time and in full rates are being maintained well internally and by our suppliers.
Our associates are working to meet your business' existing and emerging needs with our longtime selection of products and a new supply of cleaning products to help you fight the spread of COVID-19.
We're still solving equipment reliability issues for you and ensuring productivity and profitability for your operations.
Our facilities are regularly and safely sanitized for our plant and driver operations. Tough times require great teamwork and great unity. After all, we are RelaDyne Strong.